Welcome to the exciting release of Linux Mint 22.1. This long-term support version promises stability and innovation, with updates that will be supported until 2029. Let's dive into the highlights of what's new and improved in this incredible release. One of the major milestones in Linux Mint 22.1 is the modernization of Aptkit dependencies. The team undertook a thorough review to replace outdated components and streamline package management tools. Introducing Aptkit Captain. Aptkit, a modern replacement for apt daemon, bringing smoother package management operations. Captain combines the functionality of GDB and apturl into a single utility, making installation processes simpler and more efficient. This transition brings significant benefits, including better translations, fewer bugs, a simplified architecture, and enhanced Wayland compatibility. While you might not notice these changes immediately, they lay the foundation for a future-proof, reliable experience. Linux Mint 22.1 introduces power modes, allowing you to balance between performance and power efficiency. Power Saver Mode conserves energy for extended battery life. Balanced Mode adapts performance to your needs. Performance Mode, available on supported systems for maximum power at the cost of energy consumption. You can access these modes directly from the Power Applet or use terminal commands for quick adjustments. Say goodbye to eye strain with the nightlight feature. This tool reduces blue light exposure by warming up your display's colors as evening approaches, helping you relax and improve your sleep quality. Fully integrated into the Cinnamon desktop, Nightlight supports both Zorg and Wayland. You can enable it in settings and customize schedules or adjust the warmth to suit your preferences. Linux Mint 22.1 ships with the latest Cinnamon 6.4, packed with improvements. A modern default theme, smoother, rounded elements, and darker tones make the desktop visually stunning. Native dialogues, cleaner, consistent dialogues enhance compatibility with Wayland. Improved Wayland support. Features like system snapshots and admin privilege dialogues are now fully functional. Other tweaks include smarter Alt-Tab behavior, improved notifications, and handy new options in Nemo for better navigation. The software manager is faster than ever, and the bulky file manager now has a feature to simplify file names for international users. Additionally, support for .aura thumbnails makes it easier for graphic designers to manage their projects. Get ready for a visual treat! Mintwise darker, rounder theme brings a polished look, and a brand new themed wallpaper collection adds vibrancy to your desktop. From bold abstract patterns to eye-catching 3D designs, there's something for everyone. Linux Mint 22.1 is built on Linux kernel 6.8 and Ubuntu 24.04 package base, ensuring robust performance and compatibility. With security updates until 2029, this release guarantees a stable and reliable desktop experience. Linux Mint 22.1 is a testament to refinement, modernization, and user-centric innovation. Whether you're a long-time Mint user or exploring Linux for the first time, this release is worth a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.